Guys, Ray-Ban Meta glasses started around $299, but if you wear prescription lenses and you want an option that you can actually use every day, that price climbs very quickly. For my setup, the official route gets close to $800, while these VR Rock lenses by themselves come in around $100. But the real question isn't just whether they're cheaper. First, whether the lenses stay genuinely clear indoors. And then second, how they react once I hit them with the UV light to be able to use them as sunglasses. And third, is it worth the money savings to go with these VR Rock lenses over the lenses that you choose when you order them on Meta's website? So let's start with the price difference, and then I'll show you exactly what you get. And a quick note before we get into it, this video was sponsored by VR Rock, and they provided these prescription lenses for me to test, but the testing and the opinions are 100% my own. Now, I'm going to show you the good, the limitations, and whether I think these make sense as an everyday option for Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Okay, guys, so I want to start off by going over how you would normally order these through Meta's website. So you're going to pick your frames, and here we got the Wayfarer Gen 2, which start at $379. Now, if you're wearing these every day as your daily drivers, there's a good chance you're going to want a lot of the premium features, such as extra thin. You're going to want the premium anti-reflective treatment. So if you go with all of the options, you're looking at a whopping $390 just for the lenses. That's going to take your $379 glasses and make them an unbelievable $769. So let's say that you're on a budget, you don't want to go with all of the options. Okay, so the cheapest way you can get transitions on these lenses, this is going to be thicker lenses, so they're not going to be as comfortable. There's no premium anti-reflective treatment. You're looking at $200. So now your $379 glasses are now going to be $579. Well, the best option, in my opinion, is to head over to VR Rock. The link is in the description. And from there, you're going to choose the glasses that you want, or the frames. And you have Wayfarer, Headliner, Skylar. They've got all of the new ones, including the Adventurer, the Fury, the Kylie Jenner glasses. Even the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, you can actually get different lenses for. So here, you want to pick prescription, and the cool thing is it comes ultra thin standard. So these are going to be the $120 upgrade on the Meta website, but you get it for free here. Then you're going to want to pick the color of your transitions. They have lots of cool ones to choose from. Then if you want it to be polarized, it's an extra $23. That is completely up to you, whether that's something that you value or not. You want to go ahead, put your prescription in there. This isn't my prescription. I just went ahead and threw some stuff in there to make it quick. Then you're going to want to pick the exact size. So you can do the Wayfarer large, the Wayfarer standard. And then here, you've got a lot of different options that you can put in here. And the neat thing is the first 5 here are free. So it's free anti-fog, free oil resistance, free scratch resistance, free easy to clean lotus effect. You have radiation resistance. And if you go with just this, which is already going to be better than the standard budget options from Meta because they're ultra thin, it's only $108. And actually, if you take the polarized off, because I believe the Meta ones are not polarized, you're getting transition lenses that are better than what comes standard from Meta for $85. These lenses are less than half the price of the budget option. Now, say you want to go all out, you want all of the features. So we're going to put polarization on here. We're going to go anti-blue light. We're going to go anti-glare. Everything top of the line. you're at $118.90 as of the time of filming. Now, if that weren't already good enough, if you click the link in the description and you use the code THESMARTGLASSES, all one word, all capital letters, you're gonna get 10% off. So now for basically $100, you're getting top of the line transition lenses for your Meta smart glasses. So here we've got three different lenses. We've got a third-party transition lens. We've got the official Ray-Ban transition lenses. And then we've also got down here at the bottom, the VR Rock transition lenses. Now, if you look closely, I want you to notice that the VR Rock lenses are extremely clear compared to the other two. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell from the video, but that's about as clear as you can get. And one of the things with transition lenses is if the clarity isn't that good, like you can see the top pair here, even though this is indoors, this is what they're going to look like when you're indoors wearing them. So they've got a bit of a tint to it. So it's going to be a slight hue like you're wearing sunglasses inside, which is not something that you want. You definitely want like down here where it's extremely clear. Next, I'm going to take a UV flashlight and we're going to get to see what the transitions actually look like. So we'll start here from the top and we'll go around. Now, this will give you an idea of how fast they change. And also how dark they get. So as you can see, the transitions get pretty dark and there's no discernible difference from the VR Rock lenses and the Meta Ray-Ban lenses that you get when you order from the Meta website. So for being less than half the price, there's really absolutely no reason not to go with these. The VR Rock configuration that I'm testing came to approximately $500 after selecting all the prescription lens options and maxing out everything I could. Now, I want to be clear here. Your total may be different depending on your prescription, the frame you choose, the lens type that you want, and all the different options that you choose. Now, what I'm testing is whether the lower cost option still gives me the things that I actually care about. Clear vision, a good fit, useful transition behavior, and a lens that I can comfortably wear throughout the day. So the first thing that I noticed when these arrived was that the box it comes in is really, really premium. Once you open it up, you can see it comes with a really nice carrying case, and then the lens is on the other side, and they're labeled left and right for you. So taking a look at the travel pouch, it pops open and it's got this elastic bands that keep the lenses safe and secure. And it's even got a little attachment for your keychain. And this is a really nice feature if you want to swap out lenses for different colors and things like that. And then they also give you a nice little VR Rock cleaning cloth, which is super important while you're wearing your glasses. Now, from a fit and appearance standpoint, they're identical to what you get at Meta. You can't tell the difference. They look the same, they feel the same. There's nothing that's different that I can tell between these lenses and the ones that cost twice as much through Meta's website. The prescription itself, it feels really clear and natural. The main limitation is that there's no Ray-Ban logo, if that's something that's important to you. On the very last screen, when you order prescription lenses through Meta, you can have the Ray-Ban logo etched onto the glasses. It costs you an extra $40. If you don't care about that, these are absolutely just as good as the ones you get from the website. In fact, at less than half the cost of what you're going to pay through the website, I can't see any reason not to get these unless your heart is really set on that logo being etched on the lenses. So the question is, are these the best budget prescription lenses for Meta Ray-Ban glasses? Based on my testing, I think VR Rock makes the most sense for somebody who needs prescription lenses. The clear state performance is absolutely great. The UV transition test showed it's on par with the official glasses. And having used these for weeks now, in real world use, the lenses are amazing. The biggest reason to consider them is the price difference. Like I said before, my official configuration was almost $800 through the website, while this VR Rock setup is only $100 more than the base price that you pay on the glasses. So if you're getting the $299 glasses, you're looking at $399 for a spectacular pair of super thin transition lenses that are gonna last as long as the frames do. Again, your exact total is gonna depend on your prescription and options, so check the configuration carefully before ordering. But for my setup, the savings are significant enough that I think these deserve a serious look if you want prescription lenses in your smart glasses without spending close to the cost of another pair of smart glasses. If you want to check out the prescription lenses for your smart glasses, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can use the code THESMARTGLASSES, all capital, one word, for 10% off. And VR Rock says it offers free worldwide shipping. Just make sure you enter your prescription details carefully and check the available options for your specific Meta glasses. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know whether you're already using prescription smart glasses or whether the price has been something that's holding you back. So please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.